Whatever you're trying to achieve with your video, one thing's for sure, it needs to build trust. Building trust isn't just about what you say, it's about what your video signals. And your video signals through what your audience sees, hears, and importantly feels, conveying emotion and sincerity that text alone simply cannot. Casting, lighting, pacing, typography, sound, story, they all tell viewers whether you're confident, honest, and real. An expert is precise, a teacher is clear, and a friend is dependable. If the tone feels evasive, the audience reads it as risk. So align your visuals with your promise. If you're premium, be quality. If you're disruptive, be bold. If you're human, be warm. Trust is built in the details people don't consciously notice. So pay attention to the details.